Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a few products I got off of TikTok shop. Product number one, we're going to be doing these Truscend jointed swim baits, lipped jointed swim baits. So just reading the package here, for the past years, Truscend has focused on developing featured products. For the past years, Truscend has focused on developing featured products. Their awesome appearances and stable performance are admired on the market around the world. Thousands of fishermen take their beloved Truscend fishing lures to reach more fun every time. Truscend, always amazing. Yeah, made in China, and whoever wrote that was made in China too, I'm sure. Anyway, we're just going to open these up and take a quick look at them. And maybe packaging's pretty good, I'll say that. That one right there looks like a baby bass profile. I don't know, I do pretty good. This one's a little shad profile. This one looks like a little rainbow trout. Little rainbow trout, but I guess it could also be a baby bluegill. And this one must be goldfish. Yeah, that'd be a good one to go ahead and tie on here. I bet you that action is going to be pretty nasty in the water. We're going to tie this on real quick, and we're going to run down to the pool and just kind of see exactly what type of action it has. Well, we'll do the unbox, and then we'll see how it swims. How about that? Sound good to y'all?
Like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more.
There's our little doggies, the doggies. Good boys they are. They are good boys. Sawyer's been swimming today. It's about 75 degrees around Christmas time. So immediately, just looking at that lure, oh, it suspends, kind of sinks a little, and then suspends. You jerk it kind of like a jerk bait, and it looks pretty gnarly. Probably help if that treble didn't. Let's see. Need to clean my pool out. Oh, can y'all see that thing swimming? Yeah. It's probably just more of a quick retrieve style bait, not a jerk style bait like I initially said. But I don't think you can retrieve it too fast, or it'll end up getting sideways on you. Let's see. Let it sink. Yeah, that's more like it. Just let it sink a little bit and then do a steady retrieve on it. Small little bait. Ought to catch a lot of fish, I would think, as small as it is. Probably catch brim, crappie, and bass all on it. Let's give it a couple more casts and see what we got here. Let it sink. Just give it a steady retrieve. Yeah, that's it. It's just let it sink a little bit and then give it a steady retrieve, and it does kind of swim sideways. You get a little bit too fast, but that also might entice a good strike. You kind of give it a quick little jerk. Kind of gives a nice little dart pause, and yeah. I don't think you can go wrong either way. You give it a nice little jerk, get it going, and then a nice little slow retrieve. Yeah, that'll be a nice little addition to the arsenal. especially fishing in a small pond. That'd be, I know y'all can't see that too well, but yeah. Alright, well, that right there is the Truscend multi-jointed lipped swim bait, goldfish color.
Every trail we wander, every dream we see, fire of adventure is stirring deep.
You can get a good steady retrieve on it. It'll look good. Go too fast, it gets sideways on you, so you probably need a good, yeah, it'll be good. I like it.
Dadventures unleashed, come join the ride, where the wild meets the wonder of life.
Alright, the link for that will be in the description. If you're watching this on TikTok, I'll have a link at the bottom of the video there.
Dadventures unleashed.